David Nettles shares the key responsibilities of a property tax consultant. Few things in property ownership are as central yet elusive to many people as property taxes. All real estate investors know how crucial these levies are to their financial situations, hence the relevance of a tax advisor. David Nettles, who is an expert in this area, highlights some of the vital roles played by property tax consultants and provides insights that demystify this important profession. Knowing the territory. Property tax consultants are not just number crunchers or paper pushers, they serve as strategic partners for owners' properties. According to David Nettles, their main duty is to fully understand the taxation landscape. This means being up to date with local, state, and federal fiscal laws and being aware of any changes or amendments connected with real estate appraisals and duties charged upon properties. Strategic tax planning. One of the key roles a property tax consultant performs is strategic tax planning. Nettles underscores the significance of creating an individualized tax strategy for every property owner. This requires looking into property valuations, figuring out potential tax savings opportunities, and taking measures to decrease the tax burdens while staying within the ambit of the law. Property valuation expertise. Property tax consultants are experts in matters of property valuation. In this regard, Nettles insists that accurate valuation is vital when it comes to equitable taxation. Using their expertise on market trends, comparable sales, and approaches to value, they make sure that properties are adequately appraised, thus saving taxpayers from overpaying taxes. Assessment review and appeals. In cases where property owners feel that their assessments are not accurate or fair, property tax consultants provide the necessary documentation to support such appeals. According to Nettles, these experts conduct a thorough assessment of property valuations, collect the relevant evidence, and represent the property owners during an appeal to secure a just and equitable taxation. Compliance and documentation. Property tax consultants must always ensure that they adhere to tax laws and regulations. Nettles insists that meticulous record keeping is vital. Timely filings and sticking to tax deadlines will prevent penalties, thus making it easier for owners' payment of taxes. Negotiation and advocacy. Nettles argues that property tax consultants also act as skilled negotiators for their clients. These professionals broker deals between taxing authorities, assessors, etc. on behalf of landowners, renegotiating appraisals and mobilizing exemptions plus abatements which give them better results through favorable outcomes. Education and empowerment of clients. Apart from dealing with tax matters, there is also a mention of customer education and empowerment by Nettles. Property tax consultants help property owners know about tax rules, evaluation systems, and the ways they can save on their taxes. This helps them take part in their tax obligations and decide on those plans that are aimed at planning for taxes. Technological tools employed to leverage data analytics. In the digital era of today, property tax consultants make use of technology as well as data analytics to improve service provision. Nettles elaborates on software applications used by consultants coupled with data analysis platforms and geographical information systems, GIS, for doing thorough property analyses, identifying means of reducing tax liabilities as well as making the process simpler for customers. Ethical norms alongside transparency. According to Nettles, ethical guidelines are non-negotiable when it comes to these professionals. Tax advisors follow professional ethics codes, maintain confidentiality, and ensure open lines of communication with clients regarding taxation issues, fees payable, and possible outcomes that might arise. Continual education and professional development. Nettles shows that continuous education and professional development for property tax consultants are crucial. While staying current with industry trends, attending seminars, going to workshops, meeting professional certification requirements like CMI or EIMA, and engaging in networking activities can help enhance the skills of these experts, enabling them to provide better services to their clients. Conclusion. In conclusion, this part discusses some of the many responsibilities a property tax consultant has according to David Nettles. They include strategic tax planning and property valuation expertise as well as assessment review negotiation client education, which are integral to optimizing tax outcomes for property owners. By understanding and appreciating these responsibilities, property owners can harness the expertise of consultants like Nettles to navigate the complex terrain of property taxes with confidence and efficiency.